Hi, I'm Danielle, and this is my activity for enhancement 5. I'll start by adding products to the path to the URL. I'm going to add a category. I'm going to validate. CSS validated. And HTML validated. Try to add, got my client-side message. Click on validate. Try to add again, and got the server-side message. I'll go back. I'll go to add a new product. I'm going to validate. As you can see, you got my CSS validated. Now I'm going to validate my HTML. As you can see, HTML validated. Start by trying to add a new product. Try to add. Get my client-side message. Add an input. Again, click on validate. Add. Got my message here. Again, custom page reloaded. Try to add it again. Fill out the whole form. And of course, I'm going to select the category. And yep, got it. So this is my enhancement 5 activity. Thanks for watching.